Is occurrence of dihydrogen. So dihydrogen is most abundant element in the universe. That is 70% of the total mass of the universe. 70% of the total mass of the universe. That is relative abundance of hydrogen of the universe. Okay, and it also occur in plants, animal tissues, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. Okay, this is a information about occurrence of dihydrogen, and it is also occurred in oceans and earth crust. So there are occurrence sources of hydrogen. So we can explain in relative abundance. Relative abundance also, that means the sources of hydrogen. Relative abundance is nothing but the sources of hydrogen or any something compound that occurred. That is also called relative abundance. Next, isotopes of hydrogens. First of all, isotope. What is the isotope meaning? Having a similar atomic number but different masses is called isotopes. So hydrogen containing three isotopes. So first one is protium. Second one is deuterium. Third one is tritium. The formula is, so this is atomic number, it is a mass of the hydrogen. Next, deuterium, atomic number 1 but the mass is 2. And the tritium, atomic number 1 but the mass is 3. So these isotopes are differ from in the presence of neutrons. So protium having no neutrons. So deuterium having one neutron. Tritium having two neutrons. So these are isotopes of hydrogen isotopes. And deuterium also called heavy water. It is a very, very important. Deuterium also called heavy water. Okay. Next, relative abundance. Relative abundance of protium is 99.985% in the universe. Relative abundance, already we discussed the source of occurrence. How much in the universe? 99. That means most of the hydrogen is protium available. That is available of in the universe, available of hydrogen is most of the hydrogen is protium form. How much the available relative abundance is? 99.985%. So deuterium abundance is 0.015% is very less. So comparing with the protium is very less. and the tritium is also very less quantity, that is 10 to the power of minus 18 percentage. Okay, and in this radioisotopes, the tritium is act as a radioactive isotope, very important, and it can emit some rays, that is beta radiations. Tritium can exhibit the beta radiations that having low energy. So tritium emits beta radiations which have low energy, and tritium acts as a radioactive isotopes. Okay, and the some properties of isotopes. So isotopes having a similar chemical properties, isotopes having similar chemical properties due to similar electronic configuration. Similar electronic configurations. And different reaction rates. Second one is different reaction rates. Due to different dissociation enthalpies. And different physical properties. Different physical properties. So due to different masses. Okay, so here different masses. How much the mass? Here 1, here 2, here 3. Different masses. So that's why the physical properties of isotopes are different due to the presence of different masses. And the different reaction rates due to the different dissociation enthalpies. Dissociation enthalpy means here bond dissociation energy. So similar chemical properties due to the presence of similar electronic configuration. So these are some properties of isotopes of hydrogen. So this is the information about occurrence of hydrogen and isotopes of hydrogen.